You already go?
Today, have a party. Today, have a party.
That is the dining area. There is sound.
Huh?
There is sound in AC.
Yeah.
And this side, it's good.
Yeah, that one good. Pasensya ka, Jess, kasi hindi niya pinabuksan ang kandila. Nagbiray-biray lang ang tinggil niya. Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Today, in the evening, have a party here. Here in the background. Here in the background. And you see here, nice light blue one. That one wood. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.